What is going on, everybody? So happy Saturday. It is crawl day Saturday. So we are going to do a crawling video with this guy right here. Freaking cool. I think I'm just gonna start going through every Saturday. I've been doing crawl videos every Saturday. So yeah, I did Wild Thing and I'm just gonna go right down the line. So this one's next in line. And yeah, so I will get a battery in this guy and we will get to moving. Nothing special about it. It still has the Shark motor from Power Hobbies in it. Little 030 can motor. Still got V1 electronics. I got a bumper from Tinker Time. Check him out. I'll post a link to his website in the description. He also has a YouTube channel. I'll post that in there as well. And yeah, this I bought, I believe, off of Etsy. I can't remember who made it. Or maybe it was on eBay. I think I actually bought it on eBay. Maybe I can go back and find my purchase and post a link to that too. But yeah, nothing special. I did my own little light kit on it. Got lights in the bumper, lights in the body up front here. Got lights up in the roll bar. Yeah, just some generic aluminum links. Some Trio shocks. Power Hobby shocks, I should say. And Enduro wheels and tires. So pretty stock. I got some off-brand steering knuckles on it, brass steering knuckles. So yeah, let's get going. Be right back, guys. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. And yes, I did change my shirt. Had to support the community. Uncle Lee, Bulgear RC, he's freaking awesome. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you guys have a good weekend, and we will see you tomorrow for another Follow the Leader Sunday. So that's going to be sweet. Haven't really decided what trucks I'm going to run, but it's going to be good regardless. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you later. Oh, I forgot one more thing. Don't forget to go and buy your raffle ticket for the raffle truck. Starts now. Go to the community page on my YouTube channel, and the Venmo link is there. $5 a ticket. Trying to raise some money to fly out a fellow YouTube channel to here, or if circumstances work out to where they can't fly, then I'll fly to them. It's going to be so awesome. This is going to be the body that goes on the raffle truck. This is an Endura body, so it's going to be all Endura. So yeah, Endura tires, Endura wheels, Endura links, Endura motor, Endura servo. It's going to be the Endura truck and Reaction RC. So heck yeah, guys. See y'all later.